This video is brought to you by volunteeraudio.com, your #1 source for all things Harley Davidson audio. From individual radios, speakers, and amps to complete plug-and-play amp and speaker systems, we've got you covered. And once you've ordered your package from Volunteer Audio, it includes lifetime tech support. And we have the very best step-by-step installation video so you can install it yourself and save money. All right, I'm just going to set our gas tank back on. All right, starting at the front, I'm going to put both of my front bolts in first. Just started those. I didn't go tight with them yet. I'm going to get both of the back bolts in before we actually tighten them down. All right, now we're going to reinstall the little rubber caps that went over the front bolts. All right, I'm going to go ahead and plug in my fuel sender. I'm going to plug in this vent. I'll feed this line back down where it goes.